All right, so right now we're here at Samsung Display, where the basic idea is that this is a separate company by itself. This is who provides displays to various manufacturers. And there are 3 displays that are really, really cool, and I want to show them to you right now. Yeah, so first we've got the Flex S. The whole idea is that it flexes literally in the S shape. So one display is always on the outside when it is when it has folded in, and that's the idea. So that's the S over there. So that one is the tablet size, and the same thing where one screen is visible always on the outside. This, on the other hand, is the Flex G. This, on the other hand, is the Flex G, where the idea is that it literally curves like a G because both displays fold inward, right? So a little G over there. So that's the idea. And again, same thing. This is the smartphone size. They've even shown what a stylus holder would look like, and then you've got the larger size as well. And then you've got the Flex Note, right? And this one would be the same way foldable laptops already exist. And it's basically 17 inches when unfolded, and then like a basic laptop. So those were the flexing displays that that Samsung has on offer. Now those could come to Samsung devices as well as to devices of other brands such as TCL or whoever wants to buy them. So yeah, those were flexible devices at MWC 2023.